Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Myersville, local and long-distance movers, near me. A long-distance move is the most intense. Moving to a whole different country requires a lot of work to be done properly. Moving your belongings is a tough task. Let us handle that. We can handle the moving task while you focus on other tasks. Your equipment is safe and secured with us. 3 men and a truck handle a long-distance move with care. We can be your most reliable moving company because we offer a storage facility for items you are not sure you want to take. We offer a free quote to estimate how much your move will cost with us. You can track your belongings easily to have peace of mind. We offer packaging material to pack your belongings in separate specific boxes safely. Many people think that local move is not an overwhelming task, but as per our perspectives and experience, it is a tough job. Packing still needs to be done, which is the most overwhelming job. Therefore, it is always best to hire a moving company that will get you moved in no time. With 3 men and a truck, you will be settled in your new place in just a few hours. Our moving team is experts in packing, loading, and shifting items to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Myersville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.